What's up, guys? I had somebody give me a request, want me to do a review on the Snap On Multi-Pliers, so let's do that, and I'll show you guys a little bit about them. Alright guys, I had somebody ask me to do a review on the Snap On Multi-Pliers that I just picked up, so let's go down here and take a look at them, and I'll show you guys a little bit about them. Alright, I picked these up on the Snap-on truck. As you guys can see, they come in a pretty nifty little pouch with a belt loop on them. And the part number on these are SMT97R. They are made by Gerber. I've had a couple of the Gerber multipliers and I like them. I know a lot of guys prefer the Leatherman style, but I like the one-handed operation, and that way, you know, you can just sling them out, which these are brand new. They haven't got broke in yet. That's why they didn't pop out, but that's why I like the Gerber style better. On the Snap-on, of course, you can see it's got the S engraved on the plier head. They have changeable wire cutter teeth or bits or whatever you want to call them in each side, unlike the standard Gerbers that are all made together in the, you know, the tool head itself. It's got the push slides to bring them in and out, and they lock in place. These here are locks for the accessories that's inside. We'll just start with this side. It's got a pair of scissors, and believe it or not, these little scissors are actually extremely handy. As you can see, it's locked there. You have to pull this back to close it. It's got a pair of scissors. It's got a flat screwdriver with a bottle opener, a Phillips head screwdriver, and on this one it has a file. So that's the tools that's on this side. It's also got a tape measure that's built in on this side. On the other side, it's going to have a knife with a serrated edge on it. It's got another smaller flathead screwdriver, a wider tip flathead screwdriver, and one of my favorite things, let me get these others out of the way, that I like about it. This one has the rim grit saw blade. It's pretty much a jigsaw blade, and you can change this out if you want to put a metal cutting blade in it or a wood cutting blade, whatever suits your needs the best. The blades are simple to interchange. You just pop that back, pull them out, and you're good to go. But anyway, that is pretty much what this is, and is also stamped Gerber Multi-Plier on this side, and it's got a metric scale or ruler or whatever you want to call it. But that's pretty much all it is. I picked these up from my dealer. He gave me a pretty good deal on them. I've been using the Gerbers. I had a Gerber this size that I used for years and years, and I've used it so much, wore it so much that the bottom of the pouch actually wore through. And I bought the newer Gerber pliers. I bought the smaller set, and I wore them every day. And I gave those to Shy so she could keep them in her purse. That way anything she needed to work on at the bank, she'd have them. And I bought these to replace those with. But anyway, guys, that is kind of the close-up look at the SMT97R from Snap-on. They're made by Gerber. One of the advantages I do like about this, I think the Gerbers, you have to actually mail them in if you have an issue or something breaks or fails on it. This, I just hand it to my guy and he hands me another pair. The whole thing's lifetime warranted, so that's super awesome. There you go. Like I say, somebody requested a review and a close-up look at the Snap-on, so that's what we did. Like always, guys, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up, subscribe down here in the bottom corner. We'll catch you guys next time. Y'all have a great one.